How to log in with QR code on Discord. So first is that you should open Discord and then go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. If you cannot see this profile icon, then what you're going to do is to swipe right like this one or click on this three lines found on the upper left. Click on your profile found on the lower right corner and scroll down until you can see the scan QR code right here. So click on scan QR code and make sure to open Chrome or Safari on your laptop or your PC and then scan the QR code that you have. So once you have scanned it, you may now click on yes, log me in, wait for it to load, and then that should open now your um, Discord on your web browser or on your laptop. So you may click on Start Talking, and then there you go. That's how you can log in with QR code on Discord. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.